Hello and welcome to TJH Prestige. We've just acquired this lovely Focus ST line finished in Panther Black. Absolutely superb paintwork, it's really popping. Lovely condition. Obviously being the ST line, it's got the upgraded wheels, it's got the body styling kit, privacy glass, larger rear diffuser. Look at that, it's really is in lovely condition. It's just going to be MOT'd and serviced. The rear parcel shelf, boot area is in lovely condition. The ST line seats with the red stitch piping, electric windows. It's done 81,320 miles. It's got 2 keys, multifunction steering wheel, 6-speed gearbox, climate control, USB, cup holders and everything here for you as well. Got the full sync screen there, centre armrest again with a USB and 12 volt. Seats are in lovely condition. Sorry about the sun, it's very low today. Just loading up the map for the satellite navigation. Push start there. Bluetooth connectivity. Full audio system, satellite navigation, this won't be hanging around long. At TJH with full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.